everyone. My name is Keri-Anne. I'm located in Rhode Island. I wanted to take a quick minute to talk to you about Shining Stars Preschool. About 10 years ago, I found Joy's program, Preschool in a Box, on Facebook, and I automatically wanted to buy it. I had worked in childcare since I was in the 9th grade and didn't want to work for somebody anymore. I had my son 11 years ago, and finding time to spend time with him, I was working 6:30 to 6:30, and I was just done with it. I was coming home and I found myself yelling at my son because I had been in preschool all day long, and I didn't want to enjoy being a mom anymore. So when I found Preschool in a Box through Joy, it was amazing. Having the curriculum there, having the marketing strategies of what to do, what not to do, it was just great. So moving forward now, last year I started my preschool in my home, and now this would be my 2nd year doing it. Right now I have 7 kids, and it's the 3-hour program. Last year I tried to do it from 9 to 3, and I was very stressed out. The hours were not working for my family. I have 3 children, 11, 8, and 5. My youngest will be starting kindergarten this year, and I'll be able to walk down to the bus to bring her down and start my program after I drop her off, which is great. Working the 3 hours is life-saving. So I'd suggest everyone should go and get Preschool in a Box to help you guys get situated and started with your journey. I can't say enough great things about Joy. She's so helpful, and the Facebook group has been phenomenal for me and for my family. I hope to grow into a facility in the next couple years, but right now I'm okay with just working from home in my home. Okay, thank you so much.
Hey, have you heard about Preschool in a Box? It's literally the one thing I wished I had when I started my preschool 10 years ago. It would have saved me so much time and so much money. Instead, I did the wrong things at the wrong time. Waste of time, I tell you. I can't wait to tell you all about Preschool in a Box. All the things I wish I had, like curriculum. Oh my gosh, can I even tell you how many hours I spent every single night on Pinterest and Facebook groups and the blogs and Google trying to find activities to do for lessons the next day. Or forms. What the heck was I supposed to give to my preschool families? What was I supposed to include in a policies and procedures handbook? Or marketing. How was I supposed to sign up kids? I had a preschool to fill and I had money that I needed at the end of the month, but how was I going to get that tuition, right? All of those components are inside of Preschool in a Box and a whole lot more. I want to get you Preschool in a Box. I've got an exclusive opportunity for you. When you join our Preschool All-Stars membership, not only will you be surrounded by myself and hundreds of preschool owners cheering you on during your journey, you get an exclusive discount on Preschool in a Box. I am talking out of this world. When people see it, they kind of lose their mind. They're so excited, ready to grab it right away. I can't wait to get you your exclusive discount on Preschool in a Box. Just join Preschool All-Stars. Click the link in the description or go to preschoolallstars.com. It's going to be like Christmas.